What's going on everyone, Simon Says here, back with another video, and today I wanted to do a quick unboxing and first impressions of the Apple MagSafe Duo Charger. You can pick this up from Apple Direct. I'll throw the link up in the video description. The price on this one is £129. So for anyone who has watched my videos before, you'll know that I did a review on the Native Union Drop XL wireless charger. So you might be wondering why I've picked this up. Long story short, I had a few issues with the Drop XL. It wasn't charging my iPhone 12 Pro Max correctly. I would wake up in the morning after putting it on charge at night and my phone wasn't charged. This happened over a couple of days. I realised that the light on the Drop XL was flashing red for whatever reason, saying that it wasn't charging. Reached out to Native Union and they gave me a new one, and this was still happening. So I figured I'd do a bit of exploring, see what else was out there, and figured, hey, why not look at MagSafe? I've got a couple of MagSafe cases. I'm currently rocking the 12 Pro Max leather case, and I also have another case on the way from Spigen. So if you're interested in checking that video out, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. I would really appreciate all your support, and that's coming in a couple of days. So I figured after looking at a few MagSafe options, the MagSafe Duo Charger fitted what I was looking for. I wanted something that was lightweight, portable, something that I can maybe take in my bag that would also charge my Apple Watch, which I could use in nightstand mode, my phone, and then maybe my AirPods if I need to as well. So that's the backstory. Let's get into this. So very slim presentation from Apple as always. Only comes in one colour. As we can see on here, you get the MagSafe Duo Charger. You do get a Lightning to USB-C port connector as well, and that just gives you some illustration of how the charger can work. You do need a 20 watt or higher charger for this to work. Yes, I know that's absolutely crazy that Apple is selling you a charger to charge your phone, but you still need to buy a charger to go with it. But hey, that's just how Apple are. So let's open this up. And let's try and get this open. Hopefully you don't have any struggles today. Let me know in the comments if anyone has used MagSafe before. This is the first time I'm using it, even though I do have a couple of MagSafe cases. And there we go. Let's get our phone out of the way quickly. So that's the charger itself. Put that to one side and see what we get in the box. Like I said, we're not going to get much. Designed by Apple in California. Just some paperwork. Nothing too interesting to see there. And then we also have a USB-C to Lightning port. Okay, so this is the charger itself. And yeah, first impressions, it's very weighty, much nicer than maybe I originally thought. I've not seen this in the flesh before. So as you can see, that's your MagSafe for your phone. Again, designed by Apple in California. That's your puck for your watch. Again, one Lightning connector there. And then on the back, we have a little Apple logo there as well for you. And then, oh, that's very nice. I don't know if you heard that. That's a nice solid click. So there's a magnet there, which is what I wanted. This is, this is a really nice small portable device that you can just put in your pocket, charges both your devices, and away you go. So let's peel some of the wrapping off. It looks like there's one there as well on the MagSafe. So as you can see, the Apple Watch section, depending on what band you've got, you can either charge it folding flat, or you can have it in nightstand mode and have it up like that as well. So let's get this plugged in and have a quick look. This is only going to be a quick video. It's not really a huge amount to go through. One thing I would advise, as you know, if anyone's done any research on MagSafe, like I said, you do need a charger, and you do need a 20-watt charger to go with it. I have a 46-watt charger that I picked up on Amazon, and there are certain criteria for this to actually charge at the full 15 watts. There's a great video from Zolotech, and I'll put that link in the video description, where he goes through various third-party chargers and the official charger. So have a look at his video. It is very, very good and well worth checking out. Right, so that's plugged in. So let's do my watch first. Just going to take it off now. I have a third-party Millilise loop from Amazon, and there we go. So that's charging in nightstand mode. I don't know if you can see that. And then my 12 Pro Max, and there we go. It kind of pulls it to it and charges, which is really, really nice. As you can see, it's charging there. We'll just try that again. And there we go, it's charging. Nice and easy. I like that because it just kind of, and there we go, there's a little charging logo as well. I like that because it instantly pulls it to, you know you're not going to have to worry about it not charging, because it's just going to charge and away you go. So that was just a quick video of the MagSafe Duo Charger. Let me know in the comments if you've used MagSafe, what your opinion is of it. Hopefully this works really well for me. It's something portable, which is what I wanted, and it charges both my devices. Anyway, with that being said, keep checking out the channel. I've got some great content coming up soon, and I've got a couple more MagSafe cases coming up as well. So with that being said, I'll speak to you soon. Take care.